Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name's Cole. I love makeup, colour, sparkliness and project panning. So if you're into any of that, hit that subscribe button and join us in our weird little family that we've got going on. Today it's time for my rolling project pan update. How have we got on this month? Average? I would probably say average, to be honest. So we're just going to run through everything today. I'm going to give you some stats. We've got a couple of rollouts, nothing too exciting. Yeah, let's get into it. Okay, product number 1. Not a great start. This is Colourpop Ghosting, which is this shade here. I have not used this month. I am currently doing a pan in every palette where I pulled a very warm colour story. My pan that palette, I picked like a green and blue colour story, not thinking about this eyeshadow. So this month, for both those projects, I've picked colour stories that this is going to go with. So I'm very pleased about that. I want this done in June. I really want it done. I've currently used it. That's too much maths for me to do. 16, 30, 35. I've currently used this shadow 43 times. And although there's a ridiculous size dip, no pan yet, so I just want this done. I really like this eyeshadow palette, but I will be glad when I don't have to look at it for a short while. Okay, Colourpop Lippy Stick in Little Things. I've used this one twice this month, so not great again. I started measuring this from my knuckle. It was all the way to my knuckle. So we are making progress, just very slowly. So I'm going to keep going with this one. It's a really pretty pinky colour, but I do tend to like lean towards more like either like a peachy nude or like a brownie nude. So I don't wear it all that much, but I do like it. We're just going to keep slogging away at it. To be honest, I did not think those Colourpop Lippy Sticks would take as long to finish as they do. Right, okay, finally, she is dead. The Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer. I haven't taken the stopper out because I don't do that, but basically when I pull the wand out, there's no more product on it. I only use this one another 4 times. In total, I'm going to have to use a calculator for this one because that's too many numbers. 27 plus 30 plus 24 plus 16 plus 15 plus 4. We used that one a total of 112 times in this project, so I'm going to be glad to see this one go. I do like it a lot. It was a beautiful concealer, but yeah, time to retire, my love. Okay, Kosas Airbrow in Chocolate Brown. I've used this one 16 times. This seems to be a running theme. I use this either 15 or 16 times. There is some windowing, but there's still plenty of product coming out on the brush. I genuinely, can we shine a torch in here? I genuinely do not know what is in here. Every month I say this could finish tomorrow or it could go for another 5 months and I would be surprised by neither because I have no idea what is in here. But yeah, we're keeping going with it. There's still product coming out on the brush. When it gets to the point where I like rub the brush on my hand and nothing comes off, I'm going to call it done. Because I'm not a take the stopper out kind of gal. It's just too much effort. Right, Beauty Bay bronzer in Donut. I used this 9 times this month. This one is so close. I want this done in June. I don't know whether it's going to be, I want this done in June because I feel like we are really on the dregs. It's very, very, very thin. It is starting to crumble a little bit. So yeah, I think I can get this done in June. I used it 9 times this month. In May, sorry, but I have every intention of using it probably double, if not more than that, this month. Right, okay, Kat Von D Foundation Balm. I used this another 3 times this month because the weather's gone crap again and I didn't mind looking so pale. The pan in here is huge. This came in with a pan in it, but I'm really pleased with how much I've used. Very happy with that. Not in any rush to get that out. I think this is one that we're probably going to come back to in the winter because it is so pale. But yeah, all good in the hood with that one. Where is that? Okay, Made by Mitchell Pink Links Blush Sticks. I've used that 4 times this month. Visual progress in terms of that, there probably isn't any. But it is on my desk. I don't want to get up and get it. I'm not going to lie. So, yeah. You'll just have to believe me. I used it 4 times. There's not a whole lot of progress on it. Okay, Nars Orgasm Blush Mini. We use this one 9 times. You can, I don't know whether you guys are going to be able to see, but there is definitely, like, you can see where we've used some product up against this kind of wall of the pan. I don't know whether you can see that. But I feel like this one is being used quite consistently with it being so small. It kind of fits my whole brush in it. Again, don't know when we'll hit pan on this one. I'm not sure at all, but we're going to keep going on it. Use that one 9 times. Happy with that number completely. Okay. Beauty Bay Eyeshadow Primer in shade 2. Let's have a look where we are at. I used this one 21 times. 21 times this month. Okay. We seem to be pretty much, when I squeeze it up, where we were last time. There doesn't seem to have been a lot of change there, so I'm going to leave that mark where it is and we'll remark it next month. But another 21 uses. This is just like a consistent, like, 20 use product every month because 99% of the time when I do my makeup I wear this. Right, Tower 28 lip gloss in Cashew. We have more progress on this one. Don't know whether you can see the lines, but that is where we are with that one. I'm going to mark that again. So we're at the point now where we're just at the kind of edges of the E. Happy with that one. These glosses are quite easy to use up. I have had this in the project for 4 months and 3 months, and I feel like I've used a lot of it, considering we started like up here. I've used like half the tube in 3 months, so very happy with that. Right, Fenty lipstick in Glazed. I use this one 7 times this month. And we do have some progress on this one. We started at the Fenty, the kind of line in between Fenty and Beauty, and we are now, we've used like a B's worth of lipstick. So happy with that one. I will mark that one again properly once I'm off camera, but we've got some good progress on this one. It smells amazing. I really love the colour, very much enjoy that. Our second rollout for this month, this is the Skin Denova Makeup Primer Spray. This I used 18 times. We used this one for a total of 47 uses over 3 months, and this one is now empty. Although we are keeping this bottle because the setting spray went rolling in. Let me tell you. Not good, not good, not good, not good. Okay, finally, the products we rolled in last month. The Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Eyeshadow in Froyo. I've used this one 8 times. I think we're making good progress. There is some windowing that I can see. Yeah, I'm really happy with this one. I feel like 8 times is a really good usage. And as you can see, it's definitely starting to window really nicely. So yeah, happy with the progress on that one. The Huda Beauty foundation stick I've used 10 times. Let's just roll this up and see where we're at. Okay, so that is how much we've got left there. I would say with this one, we're about to the E. So we were just above the E. I would say we're now down below the E. Again, I will mark that up properly afterwards. So yeah, good use. I've really enjoyed using this actually. I think it looks really nice on the skin. I've been thoroughly enjoying it. It's the Faux Filter Skin Finish Stick. I don't think they actually do this anymore, but it's in Vanilla 120B. Right, Rimmel foundation powder. Used this one 8 times. You can't tell any different on this one, to be honest. But yeah, we've used it 8 times. We will continue to plough through that one. I don't mind using up powders. I just find it's not a product I get excited about, so I don't mind using the same one literally every day. Right, Makeup by Mario Brow Blade. We use this one 12 times this month. That is what we are looking like. Our mark. Okay, we've barely even used like a millimetre of this. I thought that was going to be more, I'm going to be honest. It's quite like a hard pencil, so I feel like I have to press quite hard with it. But yeah, use that one 12 times. Keep slogging away at that. The Dominique Cosmetics Lip Liner in Crush I have used 7 times. We've got some really good difference on this one actually. So that is where our mark was. And that is where we are now. So pretty good progress on that one, like a good like centimetre worth of liner gone through. Pretty happy with that one. And then finally, the Maybelline Master Holographic Face Studio Highlighter in number 50. I've used this one 9 times. I've used it on my eyes. I've used it on my face. I feel like we are actually seeing some good usage on this one. I'm hoping this isn't going to take as long to hit pan on as my Urban Decay Sin highlighter did. Because I feel like it is definitely like a little bit softer in texture. It's a really pretty highlighter. Very much enjoy it. Right, okay, so we are rolling out a setting spray and a concealer. For my concealer, I'm going to roll in the Aroma Stay Woke Concealer in Fair Lady T1. That's what she looks like. That's what the brush looks like. No windowing in this product currently. Again, no idea how much is in here. Could be not very much, could be loads. So we'll see how that one gets on. And then the setting spray I'm going to be rolling in is the Laura Mercier Pure Setting Spray 16 Hour. This is literally the worst bottle in the world. This is like completely come off. It's just dripping everywhere. It's gross. So I'm going to put this in the Scandinavia bottle. So again, unfortunately, we're not going to be able to tell where we're at because the bottle's black. But I just cannot be doing with this bottle. I do not want it leaking everywhere. So we're going to switch it over to this one. So that is it. Let me know if you're doing a project pan. Let me know how you're getting on with it. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more from me, hit subscribe. And if you want to make sure you never miss another video, hit the bell icon and YouTube will notify you next time I post. You've been fabulous. I've been Colourpop, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.